Hey, good morning. This is Henk Sijbranda, Berthon Spain. Today I show you around on KAHUNA. This is a 2012 Dixon 73. So today we are in sunny Premià de Mar, just outside Barcelona. KAHUNA is a Dixon 73, launched in 2012. We step on board by the hydraulically operated swimming platform. The Carbonautica gangway is in service now. But Natalie managed to come on board. She's a beautiful composite blue hull with carbon reinforcement in the structural areas. The grey teak deck is with white caulking. Side entrances in the sea railing on both sides. Grab rail on the top of the saloon. Spacious and flush foredeck. As you see, she has an open pulpit on the bow. Hydraulic furlers, Regman. And there's a removable PBO stay for the staysail. KAHUNA has a southern spars carbon mast with 3 sets of spreaders. A full rig check was in 2023, including new standing rigging where needed. The black carbon boom with hydraulic boom fan. Furthermore, KAHUNA has a large sail wardrobe. It's all by North Sails. And the halyard winches are electrical. Going back to the aft ship, we have an easy entrance to the cockpit. It's a spacious cockpit and aft deck. Here is a large deck hatch, giving access to the lazarette. The marvelous and inviting gin and tonic seats. In the middle, in the center, we see a second entrance aft deck through a deck hatch. And she has 2 steering pedestals with Jeffa carbon steering wheels. The controls for maneuvering, boat engine and boat thruster are on the port and starboard pedestal. The 5 cockpit winches are all hydraulic. There's a large spray hood and that can be opened in the middle section for fresh air and ventilation. The cockpit tables are teak and they can be joined to make one large table. Going down through the companionway, we enter into a large saloon with a sitting area and a dining table on the port side. Going down to the bow, we enter the forward owner's stateroom. As you see, an ensuite bathroom with a shower compartment, electric head and a wash boil. Very nice details in the woodwork. She has a double bed on the port side and a stove on starboard. Ample storage and wardrobe space. The integrated portholes give light and view. KAHUNA has 8 portholes in total. Walking back, we find the guest cabin to the starboard side. Here we find a double bed, storage, the porthole, television, some navigation repeaters. And on the port side there's another guest cabin with 2 single beds. And an ensuite bathroom. The starboard cabin shares the bathroom with the port guest cabin. Here also the nice details in the woodwork. Stepping up again into the raised deck saloon amidships with a large seating area. Look at the view. Black leather upholstery. Very light and good views. Well, going down to the aft ship, to starboard we find a large U-shaped functional and professional galley. And the navigation station is to port side. And that's in open connection with the saloon. On port we find a large bathroom, and this can also be used for wet clothes. And of course with a head and a shower. In the aft ship we find 2 upper-lower bedded cabins, identical on either side. One could be used for crew, the other as a guest cabin. Here also ample storage, closets, portholes and nice woodwork. In the last section we find the utility room with several systems like the air conditioning, the washing machine, the fridge, and it gives also access to the steering installation. A lot of gear. Finally we will show you the engine room, which has good access here from the galley. KAHUNA is powered by a 340 horsepower Yanmar. She has approximately 3800 engine hours. 2 Kohler generators. Maybe we invite you to come over and have a look at her.